Hi, my name is Nelson and I live in the northern beaches of Sydney. I've been a teacher in Sydney for 5.5 years now. People ask me what makes me happy. To me, happiness is doing things together with your loved ones, the things that you love, together as one big family. Challenge yourself, move yourself up one more level. Just when you think things are over, things are going to start again. You'll never go wrong when you make your own decisions. Make decisions with your head, with your heart, or with your gut. Make those all three decision centers work together. That way you can make the right decisions for just about everything that you need to do.